This is the WastePac 60 vertical baler. It is suitable where floor space is limited with a small footprint and where small to medium volumes of waste are present. This compact and efficient plastic and cardboard baler is capable of baling up to 60 kilograms, and the hydraulic ram gives an impressive 3.5 tonne pressing force. The single phase plug and play setup and user-friendly design with additional features including bale full indicators and an automatic compact cycle ensure simple and safe operation to give your staff complete confidence.